Need to attract customers to your business? Magnetic business cards can help you with that by giving your customers something that is handy, durable, rip-proof, and fully customizable. But before you watch the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Introducing Mediamag Laser Printable Magnetic Sheets. Mediamag is also available in rolls for large magnetic application. Magnetic business cards are lightweight, flexible, and sticks to any iron surface like file cabinets, refrigerators, or with magnetic whiteboards. Rather than looking for the yellow pages or pull out their phone for an internet search, they can just call the number listed on the magnet card in front of them. Creating a magnetic business card is pretty simple. Just create your design in the design software and print directly on a laser printer. No matter what line of business you're in, a magnetic business card would be perfect as a promotional tool, especially if you can find one that's printed in full color. To achieve high-quality magnetic business cards printing, we recommend using Oki Laser Toner Printer. Then, cut using a scissor, utility knife, or a flatbed cutter. For cutting unique shapes with different sizes, you can use Graphtec Flatbed Cutter by Label Graph. You can find the link on the description below for our print and cut solutions. Create magnetic business cards and you'll attract more business than ever. For more information, visit our website at www.direclt.com.